Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. So this is the trailer for this month's exclusive Patreon tutorial. So we're doing the Boomstick knot by Mockingbet. Super awesome design. Mockingbet is truly a master in creating these patterns. And I chose this one just because it looks really cool. So the Boomstick actually refers to, I think he posted a picture of Ash from Army of Darkness, or yeah, so that's what it's related to. I guess it's supposed to look like something like a shotgun pattern or something like that, but you know, it's all in the name. So yeah, this is what we're doing. This one was a bit of a doozy, so hope you guys will like it. Patreon patrons, you know, you guys are making a huge difference for me. You're helping me sleep at night by supporting me on Patreon, so I always appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much for those who are supporting me. And if you're not aware of what I'm doing on Patreon, I do have these exclusive tutorials once per month. If you're supporting me at the $3 level or higher, you get entered into the random giveaway, as well as getting access to the exclusive tutorial. And you can also support me at any, you know, whatever level you want. $2 or less will give you access just to the giveaway. So all details for that Patreon stuff will be down below. And if you want to get access to this tutorial and you know, the other ones, definitely check that out. So that's what we're doing, guys. The Boomstick knot, super awesome design. Did it on buckles, and I love the way this one turned out. So guys, thank you for watching this trailer, and all details are down below. And to all Patreons, I hope you enjoy this month's tutorial, and we will also have the giveaway being posted very shortly after this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.